This is the truck I was talking about. It's got the 5.7 liter Hemi engine. It's a Ram 1500. I think this is just their work truck model, so it doesn't have a lot of extras on it. It is a quad cab, so it does have a seat in the back. It's not as big as the back seat in my F-150, but it's close. It's cloth interior, as you see. Up in the front, there's not a lot of amenities. This doesn't have the backup camera. It does have the Bluetooth. Other than that, you know, the windows, locks, tilt, cruise. Nothing special. CD player looks like. It's only got 6,300 miles on it. Got the bed liner. The step sides. Got a little over 6 foot, the bed. I think it's 6 foot 3 inches they call it. Dual exhaust. You come around here in the back. See, it's the 4x4. Already set up with a hitch. Dual exhaust. Got hookups here for your lights. Got Goodyear Wrangler tires on it. I think you've had those before. Not many frills, but it may be what you're looking for. Consequently, you can buy this one a lot cheaper than some with the frills on them. Alright, we'll send you the email. I'll talk to you in a little bit.